Hello friends, welcome back to Foodsnippets on Feasty Sisters. I'll be sharing with you a crackling snack recipe today that is very apt for a tea time or on a rainy day. Let's get started with the crispy raw jackfruit pakoda or fritters. De-seed 15 to 20 raw jackfruit pods and chop them finely. You can take the help of a vegetable chopper as I have done here. Take these finely chopped pieces in a mixing bowl, add in a teaspoon of red chili powder and 1 finely chopped green chili. In goes 1 teaspoon of ajwain or carom seeds which I have crushed with my palms, 1 teaspoon of coriander or dhania powder, 3/4 teaspoon of salt and give it a good mix. You can vary the amount of salt and red chili powder according to your taste. Add besan or gram flour and rice flour little at a time for binding. I took about 2 tablespoons of besan and rice flour each. Sprinkle little water on top and mix well. After mixing, the consistency of the mixture should be as shown. Take oil for frying in a kadai and heat it. Before frying, add a pinch of cooking soda to the mixture, which is totally optional, and 2 teaspoons of hot oil. Gently drop the mixture into the hot oil and let them cook well till a nice golden brown color and crunchy on medium flame. Once done, drain them from the oil. Similarly, prepare all the pakodas this way. And there you are with the sizzling hot raw jackfruit pakodas or fritters ready to bubble up hot with chutney or tomato ketchup. Thanks for watching.